Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's Stacy here, and I'm back with another DIY video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite DIY pre-poo detangler. You can always do this, or you can always detangle your hair with this before you wash it. So if this is something you're interested in, make sure you keep watching the video till the end. So to begin, we're going to need some fresh okra. You just take your chopping board and your knife and begin to slice the okra into smaller pieces. Smaller pieces, so that the gel can come out very well. Like, you're going to have a lot of gel when you slice it into smaller pieces than when you probably just get it into two halves or so, or larger sizes. So that's what I'm just doing right now, getting the okra into smaller pieces, and then we'll see. So please, if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so before you complete this video. So now I'm done, and I'm just going ahead to put the sliced okra into a pan, and I'm going to add some water into it and then start boiling it. So as you can see, it's on high flame and it's boiling. As you see, the foam has increased, the slime is coming out more. So when the bubbles increase like that, it means it's almost ready to be taken off the fire. So now I'll just go ahead and strain it out. So you can see the gel underneath. As for the leftover chopped pieces, you can always preserve them in the fridge to be used later. So this is the gel that we got from the okra. So what I'll do right now is take my applicator bottle and pour in the gel into the applicator bottle. And I'm using an applicator bottle because it's easier for me to apply the gel on my hair using an applicator bottle. So I've poured it all into the bottle, and as you can see, it's very slimy. It's very slimy, which aids in detangling the hair. So it's very perfect for detangling. So I'm going to be using the okra gel together with my Ayurvedic hair oil. My hair was in a puff the whole week, and it's ready to be washed. So before I wash my hair, I always do a pre-poo treatment. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I do that. So I'm preparing my hair for the actual wash day. I'm going to be using my okra gel and my Ayurvedic oil to do my pre-shampoo treatment. And as usual, I'll be working in sections because you already know working in sections make everything a lot easier and reduces all the tangles and whatnot. So the okra was still very warm and it felt very good to my scalp. By the way, okra helps in conditioning the hair, and it's also very moisturizing, and the slime makes it a lot easier to detangle the hair. So that's why I choose to use it for my pre-poo treatment. Thank you guys for watching till the end. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and also please make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you. Bye. So guys, this is all the shading that I got.